Hi everyone, back and guys today we're making reindeer slime. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy this video. So we're making reindeer slime. You're probably wondering. So I already have my nice brown slime there, and we're gonna make a reindeer slime. So had no other choice, or maybe a gingerbread man. But anyway, let's get into this video. And let's see which one will be harder. So first, let's activate the slime. It's a little sticky, and I wanted to get it to a thick texture. So I'm adding a few. I'm adding a lot of this stuff. But I want to keep it a nice texture. So there it is. The base. And I'm going to add some lotion. I'm going to add it a little bit because we have our nice texture. And I don't want to ruin it. Okay, we can be a reindeer. Cool. So here's the base. Now I'm looking for a picture of a reindeer. Show me a picture of a reindeer.
These pictures should match.
Show me a picture of a cartoon reindeer.
Here are some pictures that match.
So I like this one. I feel like it's a little bit easier. So I'm going with this picture because I like this picture. So we're gonna go with this picture. So for the thing, we're gonna need to make a red nose. So I'm gonna need a little bit to make my nose. And the other part is light, and we have a white base. So I'm gonna need some white slime. Only a little bit for the face. Now we have the red nose. Now we're gonna need some more brown for the reindeer ears. I want to get a good amount, so I'm using that much. So let's make the reindeer face. Oh, we need the ears too, so we're gonna have this much. So I see for the reindeer, it's kind of like a nice little shape. So I'm gonna try to mold it out the best I can and get a nice little square. I mean, a nice little circle. If I can, I don't know if I can or not. So I'm trying to take it nice and make it nice. I just want to try it this way so you guys can see it. So that's how it looks so far. It has a round little shape. I'm so bad at making reindeers. Good Lord. Bless me, Lord. Anyway, so I'm gonna do the ears. Like little things, which are so cute. So that's the first ear. Here's the second ear. A little more. To make it a little bit more prettier, I'm gonna take a little bit more, and I'm gonna use this to make the little coating for the ear inside. The inside. I'm gonna use some brown. What I'm basically gonna do now is I'm gonna basically take this and there we go. Make a nice little dark shade for the ears. Dark little shade. This is so nice. Just got a little bit of this to come back together. Okay. So, gonna add a little bit. And the inside, too big. Still too big. the other one a little bit as well. Push down. Bam. Okay, now we're gonna make the eyes. I keep hitting it wrong. Okay, for the eyes, we're gonna make the little beard at the bottom. So it's like a little beard, and it's like so pretty. So it's kind of like a little oval shape. So let's first put this stuff right there, and then we can start like spreading it out. That's actually really nice. I like it so much. Make a little circle. Now we're gonna make the red nose, which we have enough to make the red nose. So let's make the red nose. So for the red nose, it's like a circle, and it's so pretty and nice. So I want my hands because they're red. So we make a circle, and it's kind of mixed right there. So I'm going to put it right here. Let's make sure it's smashed down. Let's actually do a little of this, make it a little bigger. Now we're gonna make the eyes. So we're gonna take this color and we're gonna use the brown of my brown paint and we're gonna make it pretty. I don't know how much I'm gonna need, so I'm gonna use that much. And I'm gonna just basically put it in the brown, get it a nice little black color, and then I'm gonna take it out. And there's the black. Okay, so we have our black color. Now let's make the eyes. Let's make the eyes so cute. I need a little bit more white, so I'll get some more white. A little bit more of this this is actually really pretty. I'm trying to make the nice eye. And I messed it up again. Cool, I messed it up. Don't mind the eye. It's a little messed up a little bit. But I'll just add a little bit more of this, more of this to even it out. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the white for the little eyebrows. That much. This is so pretty. I love this reindeer. Don't mind the hair. If you do see the hair. If not, I'll try to cover that up. Well, we can make a little coat. I'm actually do something different. Make a coat, I guess. Wouldn't matter if I did make a coat. Okay, so that's the reindeer eyes. I know it look creepy because the eyes, but don't mind it. Yeah, so we're gonna make a little coat around it. So we're gonna take it and do like a little coat. That's reindeer. Now we're gonna do we have the nose. Now we're gonna do the ears. So for the ears, I already did the ears already. Did we do everything? I think the antlers. I forgot to do the antlers. So we're gonna combine these colors together to get like a dark brown. Cause we need a dark brown. And I hope it don't turn black. If it turns black, then I have to add more paint. So I think that's a nice good dark brown. So we're gonna make the antlers, and we're gonna make the antlers by doing this. We're gonna put one little here, one little antler there. We're gonna take a pinch, roll it out, do that, and we're gonna look like it's like connected like that. And then the other antler is going to go on the other side. Oh, wait. Guys, I think I actually did good for making a reindeer. It's actually looking nice. Oh, Lord, that's like the skinniest antler. Okay, now we're going to make the antler over here. Yeah, and then the antler over there. Let me fix this real quick, guys. Let me try to get some more, a better thicker piece. Bam! We have our reindeer. It is so pretty. Let's combine these two. Which one looks better, this one or this one? I actually like this one. I'm actually, oh, that's a bubble. Oh, Lord. Don't mind, it has a big pimple. But anyway, guys, I really like this reindeer. I'm glad I made a reindeer. Guys, can you do better than this? But let me know, because this one is so pretty, and I just cannot wait to mix it. So let's get started. So before we do that, I want to give this reindeer some hair. So let's give it some hair. So we're basically gonna go to antlers and give it some hair. This can be a girl a girl. And then we can give it some nice little. The last final bit, we're gonna give it some like little shortcuts of hair down below, like that. Hope you guys like this video, and I'm so happy I made a reindeer. Yay! I might be making Santa next and a Christmas tree. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get into mixing it. What in the world? That is so pretty. What color do you think it's gonna be? It's obviously gonna be brown, unless the red and the white comes through, and the black. I don't know. Well, here you go, guys. Here's the slime. It is so pretty and nice. Here is the reindeer slime. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If I post more videos, it's only because I want to post more videos. If I don't, then I'm not posting it. I don't know if I'm going to post any more videos tonight, because I'm trying to go watch my movie or my show. Bye, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. One more thing. Let's do some ASMR in a bubble, in a swirl. Ooh, nice. The bubble? Oh, messed up the bubble. I love a word to fall of God. Oh. Ooh. Let's do the last thing. It's a swirl. I don't want the movie to be on now. Bye, guys.